In our last class, we have discussed about the transition size. So inside this class, we are going to discuss about the transition colors, how we can change the colors by using transition. So I'm just going to insert here hypertext reference inside Inkertext. We are going to just create a link here, and I'm just inserting a hash. And you know, by inserting hash, we can just insert, or how we can create a DME link. So I'm just writing here hi. This is a link. Very easy. You can just save this, go to your web page and refresh. Now you can see hi, this is a link. So you can just create a class inside this. I'm just going to create a class, or you can just call this directly also. I'm just going to create a class in this called transition -test. So you can just copy this, Control C, dot Control V. Now you can just say the text color for this should be black, and the text dash decoration none, which will remove the underline, and the font dash size can be something like 40 pixel. So just one column here. You can save and refresh. The text decoration not worked. Let's see. Text dash decoration with one column. You can save once again and refresh. So now you can see this link with text decoration none. The text color is in black color, and the font size we have just set this to 40 pixel. Now I want to just use here the hover state dot transition test, and hover. You can say the text color should change to red, from black to red, just by moving your mouse cursor. Now you can see we can change the text color from black to red, but we have not applied the transition till here. So you can just add the transition here. You can say the transition duration. You can say just 2 seconds or 1 second. And you can just say the transition property. Transition property, you want to apply the transition on the color property. So you can give just color. You can save. Now come here and refresh. Move your mouse cursor. You can see it is just taking 1 second of time just to change from black to red. Let me just use here just 3 seconds of time. Control S and refresh. So you can see it is just taking the perfect 3 seconds to change the color from black to red. You can see one more time, and this is just the beauty of transition colors. You can just change the color by just giving just a period of time, for example 2 seconds, 1 second. It depends on you, and you can just set the color property here. You want to just change the color from black to red, you can just change from black to blue, from black to any other colors. It is just on you. So I hope you understand the concept is clear and you have enjoyed watching this video. So I'll see you in the next class.